Check this out, y'all. Well, I done already cleaned it up, but they didn't have like urethane overlapping up in the inside. And then I don't know what they got going on here with the headliner and stuff, but that don't just got urethane on it. I'm sure the customer already knows. Got my handy dandy setting stop. When I first got here, this is a moldingless windshield, and the windshield was flush. It was flush against this pinch wheel, which is bad. And you can see where the glue had been on the thing. And then they had a wide gap over there on that end over there. It was tight. When I got her out, I had to use my little handy dandy tool. Everything was manual. I had to manually cut this thing out.